Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is my color of the month video, which I am so excited to show you guys because I am honestly in love with this look. Purple is my favorite color. My room is purple, as you can see by that wall right there. But yeah, I might have just did something with this look today, and I'm so ready for you guys to see. So I am going to stop rambling. Let's get into the video. Alright, so starting off today's look, I'm taking my XXtravaganza palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm using all of the purple colors in the palette. So I went in with the lilac color first, and then I went right below and I used the darker purple. I didn't want to do a full eye of makeup. I wanted to do this cute little ombre effect with a cut crease. It's not really a cut crease, but a cut eyeliner, because I did one eye off camera, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just making my shape right now. So I do like going back and forth with each color because I want to see how pigmented this palette really is, and it lives up to the hype. Like, all the colors did what they needed to do. They blended out so perfectly together because purples are very hard to blend, and these just melted into each other so well, and I am really impressed by it. Now, there is a lot of fallout in this palette, so if you don't like that, if you don't like the messiness of, eyeshadows, then you're not gonna like this palette. But the pigmentation is there, as you can see. So I'm just using a clean blending brush, and I'm making sure that I go over each color, and then I go back into each color once again. Taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Ferris to create my wing. I wanted it to be bold so you all will be able to see it while I'm looking directly at you. So the bigger, the better. And yeah, you know my phrase, 10 out of 10 would recommend. And with my color of the month videos, each month I want to do something different. I don't want to do the standard halo or the ombre or just like, the go-to eyeshadow routine. I want to step out my comfort zone and try something new, especially since I'm dipping in color. I'm using different colors each month, so some of them I'm kind of like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So this is a perfect way for me to step out my comfort zone and just spice up my makeup skills. So I'm packing on that lilac shade that I used as my transition, and then I wiped it off and I used the darker purple for the outside wing. I know it might look crazy right now, but I'm gonna clean it up later on in the video. So the ombre wing was cute, but I wanted to once again spice it up. So I went in with that darker purple and I made a different type of angle with how the colors sat. I wanted it still to be an ombre, but I wanted it to be an extra shape. I didn't want the lilac to cover a majority of the front part. So I just dragged down the darker purple and then just smoked it out. Then going back on top, I wanted to make the colors on my lid a little bit darker. I didn't want to lose the colors on the lid, so I just went back in with the same 3 colors again, and I just built up the shades. I then went in with this nude shade in the palette because I didn't want the front of the eye to look naked. I still wanted to have a little bit of color, so that was a great shade for it to be a soft ombre. I also used 2 of the shimmer shades in the purple section just to give a little bit of dimension. Now I could have done without this because once I put my lashes on, you couldn't really see it. So there's that. For foundation, I took my double X foundation in 13.7 by Revolution. I told you guys in my first impressions haul, I will be testing this foundation out again because I want to see how it wears during the day in the heat. And I will definitely check back in with you guys on that. So I'm not going to do too much talking during the base section because everything is the same. I didn't change anything up, so just enjoy me putting on the base and perfecting it. And I'll see you guys when I come back to the eyes. And another thing, I went back in with the Quick Fix spray from Revolution just to give it another try, and I still don't like how it sprays. I actually used 3 different setting sprays because the Quick Fix is a mattifying spray and my face already felt dry from the powder that I set on top. I then went in with my e.l.f. spray, that's a hydrating one, and then I went in with my Milani, that's a mattifying one as well. Going back to the eyes, I just took the same colors from on top and I just put it in the same order on the bottom. I didn't want to smoke it out too much because I wanted the focus to be on the upper part of the eye, so I didn't want to take anything away from that. And I took my favorite mascara, the False Lash Mascara from Essence. I just love this product. Look how long it makes my eyelashes. Bomb. Everything that I didn't mention will be in the description box below, so if you're wondering what other products I'm using, just scroll on down to check it out. So for the inner corner, I went in with this silver shade in the XXtravaganza palette, but it was way too bright, so I took my glow kit from ABH and I went in with Spectra, which is a purple shimmer, and that just did the trick. It wasn't really showing up on camera how purple it is, but it complemented the eyes so well and I just love it. So here we have our finished look. I love this look, you guys. If you like today's look video, then give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the family. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of lifestyle. So let me know how you feel about today's look in the comment section down below, and I hope I get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.